Second PUC class 12 maths chapter 3 exercise number 3.1 question number is 4. Here question is 4. Construct a 2 into 2 matrix A is equal to in bracket A I J whose elements are given by 1, second and third. First we solve this first one. Okay, solution. In general, 2 into 2, here 2 into 2 matrix in question, 2 into 2 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. In general, let we take this, and then now first we take this element A I J is equal to I plus J whole square divided by 2. I means rows, that is 1, 2. J means columns. I means these are rows, 1 row, 2 rows. Columns means these are columns. Okay, these are also 1, 2 columns, 1 column and 2 column. Rows are 1 column, 1 row and 2 row, like this. Okay, then we take first this is A11. A11 we solve this. A11 is I is first row. This is first row plus, and this is in first column. Whole square divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 square divided by 2. Then 2 square means 2 2s are 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 2s are 2 2s are 4. Then A11 value is 2, and then we take as A12 we take A12, and this is the element formula. Okay, A12 means this is also first row, in first row plus column is this is in second column. A12 is in second column, then we write J means column. Okay, whole square divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 square divided by 2. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2, and then we take this A21. Then A21 is in second row plus column is first column, whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square divided by 2. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2. Okay, A21 is 9 by 2, and then we take A22. This we take A22. Then A22 is in second row plus second column. Then 2, 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square divided by 2. 4 4s are 16 divided by 2 is equal to 1 2s are 8 2s are 8. Then the elements are A11 value is 2, A12 is 9 by 2, A21 is 9 by 2, A22 is 8. Here we write this as, then the hence the required matrix is given by A is equal to, we write as 2, 9 by 2 and 9 by 2, and then this is 8. Okay, and then we write second question. Aij is equal to I by j. We take, that is I means rows and j means columns, and then we take it as 11, A12, 2 into 2 matrix, A21, A22, and then we take 11 as, 11 is in first row, then column is 1, then this is 1 by 1 is 1, and then A12 is equal to, A12 is in first row, and then this is a second column, A12 is 1 by 2, and then A21 is equal to, this is a second row and column is first column, then A21 is 2, and then A22 is I by j means, this I by j means row by column. Okay, A22 is, this is second row, second column, second row, second column, then 1 2 is 1 2 is 1, then this is a, hence the required matrix we find the values A11, A12, A21, A22, hence the required matrix is A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1. And then third one is Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Hence we know that A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the 2 into 2 matrix. Let we take. Okay, then we take A11 is equal to, this formula we apply. A11 is first row plus 2 into, this is first column, then whole square divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 whole square divided by 2, then 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square divided by 2 is equal to 3 is a 9 by 2, and then we take A12 is equal to, A12 is in first row plus 2 into, this is second column, A12 is in second column, then whole square divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 2 is 4 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5 whole square divided by 2. 5 5 is 25 by 2. And then A21 is equal to A21 is second row plus 2 into first column whole square divided by 2. Then 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 whole square divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4 square divided by 2. Then 4 4 is 16 by 2. Then 1 2 is 8 2 is this is 8. Then A22 is equal to, then 22 is second row plus 2 into second column whole square divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6 square divided by 2. Then 6 6 are 36 by 2. Then 1 2 is 8 2 is 16. Then this is 18. Okay, hence the required matrix is hence required matrix A is equal to, third one is this is 9 by 2, 25 by 2 and 8 and 18. Okay, thank you.